Steam generator boiler. Part 1D. Bubbling bed boilers. In the bubbling bed type boiler, a layer of solid particles, mostly limestone, sand, ash and calcium sulfate, is contained on a grid near the bottom of the boiler. This layer is maintained in a turbulent state as low-velocity air is forced into the bed from a plenum chamber beneath the grid. Fuel is added to this bed and combustion takes place. Normally, raw fuel in the bed does not exceed 2% of the total bed inventory. Velocity of the combustion air is kept at a minimum, yet high enough to maintain turbulence in the bed. Velocity is not high enough to carry significant quantities of solid particles out of the furnace. Features of bubbling bed boiler. Fluidized bed boiler can operate at near atmospheric or elevated pressure and have these essential features. Distribution plate through which air is blown for fluidizing. Immersed steam raising or water heating tubes which extract heat directly from the bed. Tubes above the bed which extract heat from hot combustion gas before it enters the flue duct. Stoke fire boilers. Stokers are classified according to the method of feeding fuel to the furnace and by the type of grate. The main classifications are spreader stoker and chain gate or traveling gate stoker. A spreader stoker's coal is first burned in suspension, then in coal bed. Flexibility to meet fluctuations, favored in many industrial applications. Be chain grate or traveling grate stoker. Coal is burned on moving steel grate. Coal gate controls coal feeding rate. Uniform coal size for complete combustion. Pulverized fuel boiler. Coal is pulverized to a fine powder so that less than 2% is plus 300 microns, and 70 to 75% is below 75 microns. Pulverized coal powder blown with combustion air into boiler through burner nozzles. Combustion temperature at 1300–1700 degrees Celsius. Benefits: varying coal quality, coal, quick response to load changes and high preheat air temperatures. Advantages: its ability to burn all ranks of coal from anthracitic to lignitic, and it permits combination firing, i.e., can use coal, oil and gas in same burner. Because of these advantages, there is widespread use of pulverized coal furnaces. Disadvantages: high power demand for pulverizing. Requires more maintenance, fly ash erosion and pollution complicate unit operation. To be continued. Next video on water tube waste heater boiler. Keep watch show views for more technical and informative videos.